Good morning, students. In the accountancy, in chapter number 1, we have started terminology. We have seen up to 7 terminology. Now, 8th terminology. 8th terminology, that is asset. 7th and 8th, both the terminology are very important. Why? Because ये लायबिलिटी एंड एसेट मोस्टली इन दोनों टर्मिनोलॉजी से ही डील करना है अकाउंटेंसी में. मोस्टली यही ट्रांजैक्शन आते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एसेट मीन्स व्हाट? एसेट मीन्स द टेंजिबल और इनटेंजिबल. टेंजिबल मीन्स जिसको हम छू सकते हैं. इनटेंजिबल मीन्स विच कैन नॉट बी टच्ड. So such things which is intangible or tangible, which has ownership of business and which has economic value, that is called as an asset, right? So tangible or intangible product or item which has ownership of business and which has economic value, that is called as an asset. Means कि कोई प्रोडक्ट है या कोई आइटम है टेंजिबल, जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं या नहीं टच कर सकते, जिसकी ओनरशिप हम ले सकते हैं, जिसको हम खरीद या बेच सकते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एन एसेट. नाउ एसेट अगेन हैज़ 3 टाइप्स: नॉन करंट एसेट एंड फिक्टिशियस एसेट. नाउ नॉन करंट asset again there are so many types of assets exist in the business. In that main 3 types: non-current, current and fictitious. Now what is non-current asset? See, non-current assets are identified. First of all, non-current asset means which is not current. Means simple meaning of non-current assets means fixed asset, the assets which remains with us for a longer period of time, for more than 1 year, that is called as non-current asset. Now see, non-current assets are identified on the basis of time, like non-current liability. Non-current assets are also for the period of more than 1 year. They are known as long-term assets or fixed assets. लैंड बिल्डिंग, प्लांट मशीनरी, फर्नीचर ट्रेडमार्क. फर्नीचर हमने एक बार घर में बना दिया, हमारे घर के लिए अगर हमने फर्नीचर एक बार बना दिया तो ऐसा थोड़ी है कि 6 नहीं पसंद है 6 महीने में इसको निकाल के दूसरा बना देते हैं, फिर ये नहीं पसंद आ रहा है इसको निकाल के दूसरा बना देते हैं. ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता. Once we made furniture, that will remain with us for a longer period of time, right? So in the same way, business has also so many assets that remains with the business for more than 1 year, and they are plant and machinery, land, building, furniture, trademark, copyright, patent, goodwill, franchises, etc. included in non-current assets, right? Now non-current assets, see this. See the chart of assets: non-current, current and fictitious. Non-current assets again has 2 types: tangible and intangible. Tangible means the asset which we can see, which we can touch, which we can move. They are called as tangible assets. जो एसेट हम टच कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, हम इधर उधर मूव कर सकते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज tangible assets, like building, land that we can see. We cannot move land, but we can see, we can touch. So land, building, furniture, machinery, etc. are tangible assets. And intangible assets means the assets which do not hold physically, which do not exist physically, that is called as non-current intangible assets. See, intangible word itself clarifies the meaning of these assets. In assets, intangible assets do not hold physical existence.